I am deeply honored to stand before this august gathering with a pleasant task of introducing Mr. K. Raghu, the celebrity chief guest of this evening function, who happens to be my good friend. Mr. K. Raghu is someone whom I know him for over last 3 decades and have been closely associated with him for the past 27 years. I am aware of the fact that this celebrity friend of mine does not require any introduction, but the Bangalore branch, in its wisdom, decided to recapitulate and showcase Mr. K. Raghu's long and successful journey at ICAI, which is spread over past 23 years. I was a small part of this journey, which had its share of abundant joy and a wafer-thin sorrow, but what I admire the most in Mr. Raghu is he is focused, hardworking, a visionary, yet realistic, tech-savvy, and passionate about what he does, and a very disciplined human being, and needless to mention that his commitment is undisputed. The great personality bundled with unique qualities is only the second person from the state of Karnataka. For that matter, only the second person from the South India, apart from the state of Tamil Nadu, to have succeeded in occupying the highest post of ICAI. He was elected as the president of ICAI on Wednesday, the 12th of February 2014. Now he is the supreme torch bearer of the Indian accountancy profession for the year 2014 and 15. His motto for the year is moving towards new frontiers. I am sure in his address, our president will share his thoughts with respect to where he is moving towards to on what is the new frontiers. Mr. K. Raghu truly represents the entire accounting fraternity. He is young, energetic, and dynamic leader. He has proved this beyond doubt and excelled time and again. He has been actively involved with the ICAI at New Delhi, the Southern India Regional Council at Chennai, and at Millers Road in Bangalore in various capacities, and immensely contributed to the profession over the last 23 years. Ladies and gentlemen, I kindly request you to bear with me for 8 to 10 minutes. I am trying to make it a concise. It's 23 years of contribution. I am trying to present it in 8 to 10 minutes. I am sure you'll bear with me. Mr. Raghu is fondly known as technology savvy guy. He is widely recognized as a role model and mentor of the next generation chartered accountant. He is the fellow member of the ICAI with more than 23 years of tall professional standing and was the vice president of the ICAI for the year 2013 and 14. Mr. Raghu, a trusted and credible leader, liked for his strong values and high integrity, is widely known for his pioneering and far-reaching initiatives. He was instrumental in introducing the webcasting and e-learning at ICAI. An illustrious and versatile professional, C.A. K. Raghu, currently represents the ICAI on the board of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. He represents on the high-level steering committee for implementation of XBRL. He is a member of the task force in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. He represents on the advisory committee on the mutual funds of the Security and Exchange Board of India, and is the member of the Reserve Bank of India Regional Monitoring Committee of NBFCs for the state of Karnataka. Mr. Raghu, a very popular chartered accountant from Bangalore, got elected to the Central Council for the first time in the year 2007, and further was re-elected twice in the year 2010 and 2013. I am sure it is still fresh in our memory that Mr. Raghu had topped the polls on numerous occasions and always won with impressive margins. Since 2007, he has been proactively involved in the functioning of the ICAI in various capacities, including serving as the chairman, the vice chairman, and member of various standing and non-standing committees. As a ICAI president in charge of shaping the profession for the current year, he is the chairman of all the standing committees and also the presiding officer of the Board of Discipline. He is currently the ex officio member of all the non-standing committees of the ICAI and also is the editor of the Chartered Accountant Journal. He has also served as the chairman and vice chairman of the important committees, namely the Accounting Research Foundation, XRBL Committee, CPE Committee, IT Committee, Peer Review Board, Committee for Members in Industry, Ethical Standards Board, Financial Reporting and Review Board. He has also left an incredible mark and served as a member of the various other committees, including the Auditing and Assurance Standards Board, the Corporate Governance Committee, Professional Development Committee, Public Finance Committee, Management Accounting Committee, Financial Markets and Investor Protection Committee, International Trade Laws and WTO Committee, Committee for Capacity Building of CA Firms and Small and Medium Practitioners, and International Affairs Committee. Raghu, have I left out any committee? ICAI Council, recognizing the technology-driven initiatives of CA Raghu, has nominated him on the Membership Development Committee of XBRL International, Director of the XBRL India Section 25 Company, ICAI representative on the MCA 21 Stakeholders Committee constituted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Mr. Raghu has also globally promoted the brand India CA and also has put forward Indian accountancy profession views in various meetings and programs of IFAC, the SAFA, the Confederation of the Asian and Pacific Accountants, and many other international bodies. He was nominated as the mentor of the New York chapter of the Institute of Chartered Accountants in the year 2008-2009. An excellent orator, CA Raghu has attended and contributed at numerous national and international seminars and conferences on the issues of professional interest and commendably demonstrated his passion for the profession. His international visits representing the ICAI included to the countries Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Muscat, Singapore, China, Japan, Ghana, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, Canada, United Kingdom, and United States of America. Before his elevation to the Central Council, Raghu started his journey at the ICAI in the most modest manner, being the chairman of the Southern India Chartered Accountant Students Association. He has served as the secretary, vice chairman, and chairman of the Southern India Regional Council during the Golden Jubilee year, during which the SIRC was adjudged as the best regional council. Mr. Raghu also has served as the secretary, vice chairman, and chairman of the Bangalore branch, during which the branch was awarded the most active branch of the region. Apart from his contributions at the ICAI and Karnataka State Chartered Accountants Association, he has also contributed to the various business, economic, social, cultural, and sports organizations. Currently, he is serving as a member of the Managing Committee of the Bangalore Chamber of Industry and Commerce. He has served as the chairman of the Economic Affairs Committee of the Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries. During the year 2002-2003, he was the president of the Rotary Club of Bangalore, Pina, during which he bagged the Best President Award. The award was conferred on him, recognizing his untiring efforts during the successful conduct of the 6th Mega Jaipur Food Camp, wherein more than 2,350 below poverty line patients were provided free of cost the artificial food, the calipers, the crutches, and wheelchairs. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this requires an applause. He has also served as the audit committee member of the Karnataka State Cricket Association, which is the richest sporting body in the state of Karnataka. He is also the life member of the Bombay Chartered Accountants Society, Karnataka State Chartered Accountants Association, and Bangalore Management Association. It is not out of place to share few details of Mr. K. Raghu's personal life. Sri C.A. K. Raghu is son of late Sri K.R. Kumar and Srimati Bhagyalakshmi. Late K.R. Kumar, he himself a very popular leading chartered accountant then, was also the former chairman of the Southern India Regional Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Raghu is married to Indira and blessed with a daughter and son. Her daughter Pooja is pursuing her graduation in commerce at Christ College, and his son Arjun is studying 10th standard at Bishop Cotton's Boys' School. May I recognize the presence of Srimati Bhagyalakshmi, the proud mother, Srimati Indira, the proud wife, Pooja and Arjun, the proud children of Mr. K. Raghu. I also recognize the presence of Mr. K. Ravi, the brother of Mr. K. Raghu. Raghu is a commerce graduate from the prestigious St. Joseph's College at Bangalore, qualified as a chartered accountant in the year 1990 and has been practicing at Bangalore since then. He is specialized in the field of business consulting and direct taxes. He is the advisor, auditor, and consultant for various corporates and business establishments across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude my marathon introduction, I would also take a couple of minutes to felicitate my friend, addressing him as a superstar among the superstars. I would say this because nobody can be a superstar without being a visionary, passionate about what he does, committed about what he does, or a disciplined lifestyle. Mr. K. Raghu has a vision similar to that of Sri Narayan Murthy, commitment to match that of Sachin Tendulkar, passionate as Amitabh Bachchan, and leads a simple and disciplined lifestyle to match that of Kannada matinee idol Dr. Rajkumar. The kind of qualities he possesses and he has displayed time and again, the amount of efforts he has put in, the number of goals he has achieved, I have no hesitation in crowning C.A.K. Raghu the superstar among the superstars. Also, for the benefit of the members who has joined us late, if I have to introduce this evening's celebrity chief guest, Mr. K. Raghu, in one sentence, I would like to present him to this august gathering by stating on record that Mr. K. Raghu is a wonderful and harmless human being. Here is our son of the soil, Dhartika Lal, Telugu Bidda, Tamil Kodu Magam, Mannide Makkal, Mandina Maga, Ajata Shetru, and Karnataka Ratna K. Raghu for you. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up. Please stand up and give the standing ovation by putting your hand together to recognize the untiring efforts and contributions of Mr. K. Raghu to this great profession. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for bearing with me for these 8 to 10 minutes. Also, I would like to thank Bangalore branch for giving me an opportunity to introduce this great personality and my good friend K. Raghu. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.